It is the time for $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into it right away, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and this has been on uptrend right from the support region. Okay, and as you can see, I draw out this trend line to let you know that each time it touch the trend line, it goes back up. You can see it when you touch it again here, even though it's at a resistance zone, it went back up and it is still buying, and it will keep on buying till the end of the period. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. If you don't know how to use the period to trade, you can watch some of my videos, okay, which I created this week. I've been running a training video on that throughout this week. Okay, so this is the second asset, GainX 999. GainX 999 had been on downtrend, got to the support zone, tried to go back on uptrend, but came back down and broke out below the support zone, and it is still selling. And this will keep on selling until the end of today's period. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now, the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is PayNext 1200. PayNext 1200 actually got to the support zone, and it tried to go back on uptrend but wasn't able to go further than this. So it went back to break out below this support zone, and it is still selling right now to keep on selling till the end of the period. Okay, which is going to end in few hours from now. Okay, and of course, the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's do it together. PayNext 999 also had been on uptrend, got to this resistance, they tried to go back on downtrend, got to the trend line, and it went back up. And of course, right now, it's still trying to go back on downline. Okay, so however, we are still on this. We needed to break out below this before we can see it's going to really sell. Okay, so we are expecting it to sell right from there. So if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell for a very long time. So this should be giving us more selling opportunity also if it breaks out from the support trend line. Then the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. So guys, this is FX volume 80, and this has been on uptrend because it played around there for a while. We had our entry point at this point, stop loss, and of course it has achieved most of the TPs, TP1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, it has achieved all, guys, achieved all, and it is still buying, guys. It is still buying. It will keep on buying till the end of the period. Okay, so which will come to an end in a few hours from now. So these are some of the things that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.